Hi there, I'm Mathia Ford, your host on Renal Diet HQ, and today I got a question for you. Why didn't the rice stick around to fight? Because it didn't want to be in a sticky situation. Okay, today we're going to make a rice dish, garlic turmeric rice. I'm going to talk you through the ingredients, then we're going to put it together. It's really easy to make. I think you'll really enjoy it, and it's very kidney friendly. So we have low sodium chicken broth, unsalted butter. We have turmeric and black pepper. We have some parsley, onion, garlic, and of course some jasmine rice. We're going to throw this all together on the stove and make delicious rice. Okay, we're going to start by putting some butter in the pan. And then also adding our onions and our garlic. All right, now we're going to add the rice and the turmeric and pepper. Turmeric is really the star of this dish. It makes it delicious. We're going to stir everything together. Make sure that turmeric gets all over everything. As you can see, it's making it yellow. Turmeric is not curry. Doesn't have a super strong flavor, just very healthy, very delicious spice. So we're just stirring and getting that butter and the onion everywhere. Now I'm gonna add the chicken stock, mix that, and then we're gonna bring it to a boil, and once it starts boiling, we're gonna cover it up and cook it. When it starts boiling, you turn it down a little. Put your lid on it. We're going to cook it for 15 minutes. Okay, so we've let this cook for 15 minutes, and then now we've let it sit for about 5. And so now we're going to kind of fluff it, stir it up a little. So you can see all that water's absorbed. That nice yellow turmeric throughout. And then you can just sprinkle your parsley on top for some nice added flavor. So let's serve this up and have a taste. This garlic turmeric rice is so light and flavorful, and you actually get a huge serving because you get half the pan. So let's give this a try. Looks so yummy. All right, now let's give this a try. So flavorful, so aromatic. That is so good. The onions add so much to the flavor, than the turmeric and that little bit of parsley. I can see the black pepper, but this is so good. It'll be a delicious side dish for you, and it's kidney friendly. Let me know in the comments what you'd pair it with, and bon appetit.